Hey there, YouTube. In our educational series here on Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, this video, the slide deck is how to actually go about purchasing your first Bitcoin, and we're also going to talk a little bit about other cryptocurrencies other than Bitcoin, typically referred to as altcoins. If you are new to the Bitcoin and or cryptocurrency space, please go see my other video of what is Bitcoin. I think if you watch that first, it just gives you a little bit more of an introduction into the space, and gives you a little bit of a foundation to build on for this video. Okay, so today on Raining Cryptos, we're going to talk about how to buy some crypto. Okay, so I highly recommend to everybody on their first exchange, is what they refer to get into the crypto space. I highly recommend going and using Coinbase. When you go to the Coinbase website, on the web, and you can also download their iOS or Android app. It's pretty straightforward as well. This slide deck's really going to walk you through the web version, but they are very similar in nature. There's just going to be a basic step-by-step process to set up your account. So again, Coinbase is by far the simplest, the easiest entry point to get into the Bitcoin in cryptocurrency space. On Coinbase, you're allowed to exchange your fiat currency, US dollars, euros, into either Bitcoin, Ethereum, which is another blockchain coin that uses smart contracts in their basic technology, and also Litecoin, which some people refer to as either the silver to Bitcoin or the Bitcoin test network. A lot of the newer technologies and capabilities that the Bitcoin core development team do a lot of testing on, or it gets tested and applied typically to the Litecoin coin first. It just seems to be the way things are working nowadays. So anyways, those three tokens are available for, those three coins are available for purchase on Coinbase. I'd greatly appreciate if you use my affiliate link. You receive and I receive 10 free Bitcoin. The link is right here. I'll also put it in the description below this video. Thank you in advance if you decide to use this affiliate link. All right, so account setup. It's what you would expect. Your username, password, you sign in. So please carefully review their terms and services. You fill in all your personal information, you check, and I agree to the user agreement, and then you can go ahead and create your account. You'll then be directed to a confirmation page after you submit this information. So next in your account setup, you'll get a verify your email pop-up. You'll then go into your email account. We're here just giving you a visual of a Gmail account. Then you'll actually just click your link. After you go through this step, you'll be directed to a confirmation page for your submission. And here in the next step of your account setup, you're going to want to choose an individual account type. You're not a business, and if you are a business, it's kind of outside the realm of what this step-by-step slide deck is for. This is more for people and individuals. I should have probably stated that from the beginning. Okay. So next, you're going to link up your either your credit card and or your bank account. These will be your two methods of bringing your fiat, typically US dollars, into the exchange. There will be some limits up front for how much you can do, and over time, as you increase your transfers and what other criteria Coinbase has used, you're allowed to bring in and out of the exchange larger amounts of fiat. So again, you would put in your bank account information, your routing number, if it's a checking account, and bank account number. Again, you can use a debit card or credit card, and they'll take you through certain steps, which we'll get into next once you start the process. So then you're going to have to select an identification type. This has to do with them knowing who you are as part of being able to buy and sell and exchange these securities. In the United States, they consider cryptocurrencies a security. So you're going to have to upload your information for your driver's license or photo ID. Okay, so you could choose your upload method. I've done it on my mobile phone. You can also upload images, I believe, as well. So you just take an image of the front and back of your ID, and then after some period of time, your identity gets verified. So that could take a couple minutes. And that's pretty much it. You're good to go. So going back, you're ready to trade on Coinbase. So going back a couple steps, when you do pick your credit card or your bank account, there'll be a couple of charges that will show up. You just have to go back into your account and verify those. And in a big account, it could take a couple days. The credit card seems to be pretty much instantaneous, and you're ready to charge right out of the gate. And it all depends. Some people have been able to charge $50 on their first trading transaction almost immediately. But again, that varies for different accounts and different criteria. But that's typically where it is, and pretty exciting stuff. You're now ready to go to buy your first cryptocurrency, specifically through Coinbase for Bitcoins, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Now, to get to the next phase after that, if you're comfortable and you're excited or you're curious and you want to delve a little bit deeper into the cryptocurrency space, there are many thousands of altcoins or alternate coins to Bitcoin. So, and again, any coin that's other than Bitcoin is typically considered an altcoin. There are a lot of coins with the name Bitcoin next to it, but at the end of the day, the community at large don't want to get into the politics. I mean, there's some people that are pretty passionate one way or another, but it's typically anything other than Bitcoin is considered an alternative coin or token, and those are available on many exchanges. But the exchanges that I think are great next steps are Binance. So it opens again you up to the market with support for exchanging your Bitcoin, which is referenced as BTC or Ethereum ETH. Please don't confuse the Ethereum ETH with ETC, which is Ethereum Classic. They are two completely different coins. One's forked off another. We're not going to get into the forking of coins in this slide deck. Again, this is an introduction into purchasing your first cryptocurrencies, and Litecoin as well, which is LTC. So they do have a great strong team, a very good trading platform. They have a simple or more advanced version. A couple clicks in their menu, a great selection of coins, and typically you would find coins from that are newer tend to pop up on Binance first before they proliferate to some to other exchanges, and typically Bittrex, which would be the next one, is where they end up last, but not always the case. It seems like Bittrex is really particular with accepting their coins and tokens on their platform. So they're a U.S. based exchange. We'll talk about Bittrex right now. They have a decent trading platform. They allow you to exchange Bitcoin and Ethereum mainly. They also have a wide selection of altcoins that you can purchase with either Bitcoin or Ethereum in that exchange as well. So I think that's a lot to swallow and digest here, but I think it's a good stepping stone if you want to say to start with your Coinbase, get comfortable, open up your account, trade in that fiat for some cryptocurrency, get your first taste of the process, get comfortable with it. My recommendations are dollar cost averaging, which is pick a specific amount that you want to bring into the exchanges and to purchase your given cryptocurrencies on some type of recurring basis. Could be weekly, it could be daily, it could be at a specific time of the month that you want to, in amount that you feel comfortable with. But that way, you're as the market's moving up and down, you're buying in on those law of dollar cost averaging. So that gives you the benefit of the markets over time. And it's probably a good idea to hold some amount of fiat in your account, and then buy on those dips when there is a really, really large correction. And just to let you know that cryptocurrency in general, Bitcoin and others are known to be have a lot of volatility and large market swings, so you can really take advantage of that and buy in those dips. And I've had the best gains on that approach with the dollar cost averaging and buying in those dips. And if you do decide to open up a Binance account, please use my referral ID 11070501. Get a link there, and I'll have it in the link and this referral in the description below in this video. Again, congratulations. Like, comment, and subscribe. Hopefully this video was helpful. Please comment and share this video with friends, family, and colleagues. Again, the above reference is just an opinion. It's for informational purposes only. It's not intended to be investment advice. Seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. And thank you again, and good luck in trading. Take care.